These guys were at a mall when they noticed this small dog coming down the escalator all by himself. But instead of going away, he ran back again to the other side and started going back up. Every other people thought that the dog might have been confused and lost by his owner. But that's when this happened. The dog again ran to the other side to take in another ride. It shows that he was just playing with the escalator and even getting free relaxing back scratches from the little brush kept in the side of the escalator. It shows how smart dogs really are than what we think of them.
Mírelo. Y ahí vuelve. No,